Little update on our marketplace Suzuki. Pretty sure the fuel pump's bad. I went out and I bought a brand new one. Now I gotta drain this tank, and this is, to me, this is the easiest way to do it because I filled this thing up probably halfway. So I'm gonna use this fluid extractor, pump all the fuel out, then we can flip the tank because it's on a hinge, then we can get at that fuel pump. We're gonna have to loosen up these little clamps, and then we can work on getting that fuel pump out right there. But we just gotta disconnect everything. That's your power wire, and that is your actual fuel pump feed coming out right there. Oh, there she is. That fuel pump's looking pretty bad. I got some cleaning ahead of me, but that's gonna be a project for tomorrow.